Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another topic in Facebook ads, and that is Facebook ad strategy for digital products. As you know, in the modern marketing there are lots of digital products that are selling online for different kind of business niches. So today I will let you know, like, for the digital products, what kind of campaigns we need to create and what kind of audience and targeting we need to implement on the campaign so that we can generate results. So all these things will be covered in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's go to the Facebook ad dashboard.
Hi guys, as you know, today our topic is what is the strategy which we need to follow to promote or advertise our digital products in FB ads account. Okay, so as you know, we will run campaign for different kind of niches. If you want someone to book your car repair services, you can run the campaign for those audience as well. In the same way, we have a digital product niche as well, and digital products are those products which will help us to run our businesses and that kind of stuff. As I have a digital product which we are working on, and that is this one. This is basically a CRM, you can say it a dashboard which you can use to run your projects in an organization. If you want to do some task, you can use this dashboard for doing the same. So basically this tool have many functions. For example, if you have a large organization in which you have 300 to 400 employees, so you need to give them work, you need to give them assign tasks, different tasks to different team. So all these things could be hectic if you are manage it manually. So for that thing you can use this digital product. As you can say, it will help you to assign different tasks to different people, and you can say track all the data in this CRM. So basically this is a digital product. So I'm not going more deep in this as you can say tool, because this is not our main task. Our main task how we can advertise this kind of tools in Facebook ads market. So after that, what you need to do is you just need to create a new campaign. As we have a digital product, so we need to find out what kind of audience who will able to purchase this product for their organization. So first of all, always keep in mind, as you can see, this is a product, so people will not directly purchase this product. We need they have some kind of caution before purchasing this, so we need to run a lead campaign first of all, for a lead campaign, so that they will come to our website and fill up our form, or if we have a sign up option they can do it as well. So we need to implement tracking as well for the conversion tracking. As you can say, if someone land on our page and fill up the form. But yes, that is another part. As you know, we have a different video for the conversion tracking, but now we need to redirect visitor to our our landing page, this one, so that they will know about our product. And the second thing is the audience. The audience, what kind of audience we can target? As you can see, this is a digital product, so always remember, this kind of product is not meant for all people. Okay, there is a very particular audience who are interested in this kind of products, and they are able to purchase this thing. If I talk about, this is a product which will be used by an organization, so I think if I'll target CEOs, the company CEOs, as we have a audience, as you can see, work, job title, MD, CEO. The people who have listed their job title as MD or CEO, it means they are CEO of the company, so we can target them as well. So before running a digital product campaign, you always need to check what kind of audience we have and detail analyze them. Like, we have owner, managers, managing director, co-founders, and as you can say, managing director, founders and owners. So these kind of audience which I think will be interested in our product, because they are good position on their company, and if they think this product will help them to assign tasks to different teams, then they will easily use this product. Okay, and in the same way, you need to check what kind of age group that will be interest in our product. And as you can see, I think at least you need to go 28 to 65. And as you can see, we have already selected our age group. As you can know, like people are in this age group can easily purchase our subscription for the digital product which we are selling. So you need to figure out like what kind of audience will able to purchase your product. And I will recommend you, don't use broad audience for digital products. Always use a narrow audience, because these kind of products will only be purchased or subscribed by like limited number of people. So we need to figure it out, and after that we need to run the campaign. Also, that third thing which need to be considered while creating a campaign for digital products is the ad, like what kind of image and video you are using. Let me show you an example. As you can see, we have a video here. It is a company video, and as you can see in this video, the people, like as you can see, somebody is speaking behind it and describe their product in a very good way, like what kind of work they are doing, how they will do it for you as well. So the video should be describable. That's why I'm showing this video to you, because it is very good created. So the thing is, you need to use a video that will easily describe your products between 15 to 25 seconds, so that people will easily know what they are seeing and what they are going to purchase or subscribe. So this is very essential part of running a campaign for a digital product. You need to have videos, not one, you need to have at least 10 videos that is describing your products in a very good way. Also, after that, once you run the campaigns with those video, after that you need to run a remarketing campaign. You can run a remarketing campaign in the same way with the audience who have engaged with your website, engaged with your video ad, engaged with your Instagram followers and other things. But in that case, you need to use the testimonial videos in which particular users, you can say it, users who use your products previously are giving a review about the product in a good way. And with the help of that, we can generate results from the remarketing audience as well, because sometimes in the first time people are not buying that or purchase that product. But if we will give them a testimonial or a video of someone else who have already used our products, then it will help us to get their interest and leads as well. So we need to use this kind of videos in our as you can see, ad section. So with the help of that, you will able to generate result for the digital product campaign. So this is how we do it. This is what things need to be taken care of while creating a campaign for a digital product. Let me use the video which I have showed you in the example. You can use any, it's just an example, so you can use it any video here right now. Okay, so that we are able to see our ads. Yeah, so in the same way, as you can see, we have set the ad. Now the campaign is live. So in the same way, you can also create a campaign for your digital product. I have already told you like what things need to be taken care of while creating the same, what kind of audience you should look after while creating a digital product campaign, as the audience which I have created is maximum used when we create a digital product campaign like this. So I think now you will understand. So if you think the video is good,
So if you like the video, please like, share and comment. And if you have any query and concern, you can directly contact us the number flashing on the screen. Thank you so much.